Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, where do cockroaches hide during the day? In short, they're anywhere you're not. German roaches are skittish little creatures that like dark, dank places to hide, a lot like my younger brother. Some of the most common places for German roaches to hide are typically going to be in the kitchen and bathrooms. So they can be found in appliances, cabinets, electronics, around pipes or penetrations, and other cracks and crevices. Now that you have a better idea of where they hide, you can have a better idea of where to treat. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. So they can be found in appliances, cabinets, electronics, around pipes or penetrations, and other cracks and crevices. Because you're going to probably do pictures, right? Okay.